Ever feel your desk killing your productivity? What if a few smart desk and phone accessories could completely transform it? Today, I'm showing gadgets that organize your space, boost focus, and make work smoother. Stick around, you'll thank yourself later. And if you love them, grab yours through the links in the description.
Most people don't realize this. A tiny desk fan can change how productive a hot afternoon feels. Let's start with the problem. You sit at your desk, laptop heating up, air feels still, focus disappears. That's where the Misby Desk Fan Small quietly enters the scene. First impression? Compact, modern, almost decorative. But press the touch control and the airflow begins. A smooth, bladeless breeze designed for personal cooling rather than blasting the entire room. Next, practicality. This portable desk fan runs on a rechargeable battery and can last several hours depending on speed settings. Perfect for work desks, bedrooms, or study corners. Why people choose it? Small footprint, quiet operation, adjustable speeds. But honesty matters. At higher speeds, some users notice extra noise, and the airflow isn't strong enough for large spaces. Compared with a traditional desk fan like the Drio Compact Fan, Misby trades raw power for safety and portability thanks to its bladeless design. Who should buy it? Students, desk workers, or anyone craving a gentle personal breeze? Sometimes comfort isn't loud. It's the quiet airflow that lets you keep going. Tiny desk habits quietly drain your energy, and one of the biggest offenders is constantly looking down at papers while typing. Meet the Tonos Paper Stand Document Holder. Let's talk about the real issue first. Notes on the desk, screen in front, your neck moving up and down every few seconds. By the end of the day, that strain adds up. This document holder for desk typing fixes that instantly. The stand lifts your papers to eye level. 7 adjustable viewing angles help you find the perfect position while typing or reading. Now the workflow feels smoother. Recipes, reports, textbooks, even sheet music stay upright and visible. Build quality matters too. The stainless steel frame keeps documents stable without bending or tipping during daily use. But honesty first. It does occupy some desk space, and extremely thick stacks of paper may feel slightly unstable. Compared with a typical plastic copy holder like PowerKing, the Tonos version feels sturdier and more durable, though slightly heavier. Who should buy it? Students, writers, office professionals, anyone typing while referencing documents, because sometimes the smallest desk upgrade quietly removes the biggest daily frustration. The moment your phone heats up, performance quietly begins to fall apart. Frame drops, lag spikes, battery draining faster than expected. That's the real frustration many gamers and streamers face. Enter the Phone Cooling Pad Heatsink. Let's break it down. This small mobile cooling pad clips onto the back of your device and instantly starts pulling heat away using a cooling fan and heatsink plate. The goal is simple: keep the phone temperature stable during heavy tasks like gaming or recording. Now the experience changes. Long sessions of PUBG, COD, or live streaming feel smoother because the phone stays cooler instead of throttling performance. Here's what stands out: portable design, USB-powered convenience, and semiconductor cooling that rapidly dissipates heat from the phone's surface. But there are trade-offs. Some models add a little weight to the phone, which can slightly affect grip during gaming. Compared with premium options like Nubia Magnetic Phone Cooler 5 Pro, basic phone heatsink coolers focus more on practicality than flashy RGB features. Who should buy it? Mobile gamers, streamers, heavy phone users. Because when your phone stays cool, your focus stays exactly where it should, on winning the next match.
A surprising truth: your smartphone camera is powerful, but sometimes it just needs a new perspective. That's where the Phone Camera Lens Upgraded 3N quietly changes the game. Let's start with the common frustration. You try capturing a wide landscape. The frame feels tight. You attempt a close-up shot. The detail disappears. This 3-in-1 phone camera lens solves that limitation with 3 creative tools in one compact kit. First, the wide-angle lens, perfect for travel shots, group photos, and city landscapes. It simply captures more in every frame. Next, the macro lens. Tiny details suddenly become visible. Textures, flowers, even insects just centimeters away. Then comes the fun part, the fisheye lens, bending reality with dramatic 180-degree views for unique photos. Installation: simple clip-on design compatible with most smartphones. Now the honest side. Image quality depends on proper alignment, and thick phone cases sometimes interfere. Compared with premium kits like the Zenvo Pro Lens Kit, this option focuses more on affordability and portability. Who should get it? Content creators, travelers, social media storytellers. Because sometimes creativity isn't about a new camera, it's about seeing the world through a different lens.
A strange truth about video creation. Forgetting one sentence can ruin an entire recording. That's exactly the moment where a teleprompter, DSLR, tablet, smartphone setup becomes a creator's secret weapon. Here's the common struggle. You're filming a video, script memorized, or so you thought. Halfway through, the words vanish. Now imagine this. Your teleprompter for DSLR, tablet, and smartphone places scrolling text directly in front of the camera lens. You read naturally while maintaining eye contact with the audience. The result? Smooth delivery without awkward pauses. The magic lies in the details. A 70/30 beam splitter glass reflects your script clearly while remaining invisible to the camera. Many models support tablets up to about 11 inches and even include Bluetooth remotes to control scrolling speed during filming. But balance matters. Setup takes a few minutes, and beginners may need practice to read while sounding natural. Compared with simple teleprompter apps on a phone, a dedicated rig keeps your eyes perfectly aligned with the lens. Who benefits most? YouTubers, educators, presenters, content creators chasing smoother delivery. Because sometimes the difference between hesitation and a powerful message is simply seeing your next line.
Creators lose viewers in seconds, not because of ideas, but because shaky video and poor sound instantly break the experience. That's exactly the gap the Yaki Vlogging Kit tries to close. Start with the basics. Most beginners film with just a phone. The footage shakes, audio echoes, lighting feels flat. Now look at what this Yaki Vlogging Kit brings together. First, stability. The adjustable tripod keeps your smartphone steady for YouTube, TikTok, or live streams. Next, visibility. The built-in RGB fill light adds adjustable brightness and color modes, helping videos look balanced even in low light. Then comes clarity. Wireless microphones capture cleaner voice audio while allowing you to move freely during recording. But let's be fair. This smartphone vlogging kit is slightly bulky for travel, and serious filmmakers may still want higher-end microphones. Compared with simple tripod kits like the AY49 Vlog setup, Yaki offers more creator-focused tools in one package. Who should buy it? New YouTubers, TikTok creators, anyone turning a smartphone into a storytelling machine. Because sometimes the difference between a casual clip and a compelling video is simply having the right tools beside your camera.
And that wraps up today's desk and phone accessories you didn't know you needed. Small upgrades, big impact on your workflow, creativity, and daily comfort. If any of these gadgets caught your attention, you'll find all the product links waiting for you in the description below. Check them out and see which one fits your setup best. If you enjoyed discovering smart gadgets like these, make sure to subscribe and stick around, because the next video might just introduce the tool that completely upgrades your desk. See you in the next one.